One of the most powerful and popular features of TotaLand is its ability to capture and manipulate instruments. Instruments are simply documents that were recorded at the courthouse. We capture the recordation information and the associated image with it. As a realm object, instruments can be attached to contracts, tracts, parties, units, and wells. These can be manipulated into a variety of things, like being added to the title report as part of a contract packet. But the most popular is assembling the instruments into an abstract. The abstract assembler will take a collection of instruments and output them as a secure PDF. The PDF can then be used for printing and binding into a traditional abstract, or left in its PDF form and submitted to a title attorney to render an opinion. We're looking at an abstract that already exists. As you can see, we have a tract attached to it already. There can also be no tract, multiple tracts, information to appear on the cover page, basic formatting, an optional caption page, and we can control what columns appear on the index page. The index is automatically created and does page numbering for the user. This is where we take a look at the instruments that are on the abstract. We can see which ones are already there and which ones are available for adding. It's as simple as clicking on the green plus to add it. If it's checked, it means it's already on it. We can remove it. The little blue icon throughout TotaLand means there's an image associated that can be viewed. The contents page allows for non-instruments to be attached and manipulated within the abstract. They get uploaded in files and images, categorized, and then they have to be placed either before or after the instruments. The instruments will be all together for proper page numbering. Then we go to Documents, click Request Abstract, open up the PDF, and we get a cover sheet with a broker's logo automatically on it. Information that was input on the cover sheet, the property description, and a table of contents page. In this case, all we have is a list of instruments and one single non-instrument flowchart. Again, the table of contents page is optional. Here's an example of the index being built. This is where the abstract assembler is the most powerful. The page numbering is done automatically, and the page numbers actually turn into hyperlinks so we can click and go directly to that document. One of the options in the formatting section is whether or not to include half sheets. Half sheets are just extracts of the document to show what is in the following document. These are the documents themselves. The half sheets can also have some of their own options as to whether or not comments will be shown. We can see at the bottom of the page that there are a total of 36 pages in the instruments. And we're looking at page 2. If we wanted to remove the half sheets, we would click Edit Abstract, then Format, uncheck the Include Half Sheets option, save your changes, then go to Documents and re-request. Now we see that it is a smaller document with fewer pages. If we look at the page numbering at the bottom, we can see it's 4 of 26. The abstract assembler is a very powerful tool that can save you a significant amount of time and money.